Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Do you need a little boost because it could be the middle of winter and it's cold at your place? Or are you like me and you absolutely love the spring? And I would like to have the spring all year round, and the great thing is I can now, because the first thing that I designed as part of the range here at Prestige Botanicals was camellias, so that I could have them all year round, because you and I both know that once you pick them and you bring them inside, you get all of 5 seconds before their heads fall off, or they're outside in the garden and the wind comes and they just all fall off, and then you're just left with leaves and stuff on the ground. Right, let me just show you what I do as my mood booster for all year round. Take a vase, any kind of a vase. I've put in some eucalyptus or gum. This is the new one that we've got here at Prestige Botanicals. I've also found a little bit of pussy willow because I just love that and adore that as well, because that is a beautiful thing with that lovely little grey little frosting on the edge, although they're little coats. And I also like how it connects and picks up with the gum. That's why I'm using it, and these are the favourite things that I like, and all I'm going to do with this is just plonk them in. And the great thing about spring designing is you just can put them in and just let them be whichever way they want to be. I've also got a nice piece of blossom, and the great thing about the blossom is that once the blossom is finished and the blossom falls, you also get the green growth coming through, which is very nice because the design is continuously changing. So I'm just going to put that down into the middle. I've only got one piece of that, so that'll just have to do for now. And I've made it quite high because I want to actually see that beautiful pink blossom. I also have forsythia. This is another one of my favourite forms, and even though they all fall off, it's still a nice colour to be putting in to a design. So I'm just going to put a piece over to there, and I'll bring a piece and put that up and over to there. Right, don't need those. To the camellias. Oh, they're so fabulous. And it's just a matter of just plonking them into the vase, and I'm going to just put them on equal, like what I'm doing on that side I'm going to put onto this side. Look at this little baby, this beautiful Wiesa. Now that's a beautiful flower, if I say so myself, and it's so delicate it almost looks like I've just picked it from the tree. Fabulous for designing. Piece can go into there, and you might be thinking, oh my goodness, Astar, why, oh I can't, I'm not taking, oh yes, I'll take the label off. Why are you putting pink in with yellow? Well, I'll tell you why I'm doing that. When you look into that beautiful little bloom there, you will see the pink laden pollen centre, which is a beautiful colour with the forsythia. It's really kind of the only time of the year that you can do this. Well, I think so anyway. So the next, I've got 3 of those, so I'm going to put one of those into there. I'm also thinking that this would be a wonderful design if you have somebody that's in rest care facilities and they can't get outside. You can just bring them a lovely little bowl of these, and they've got them for all year round. Put that into there. I'm going to bring that one there over to there, and I've got one more, so I'm going to bring that around and lift that up into there. And by using the blossom branches and the willow, you can sort of like just put it, they can hold each other in place. Now I've got a couple of white ones. I just put the white ones in equal distance around the outside of my container. Seriously, the best kind of designing can be done in the spring, and I've got 3 of those pink ones, so I'll just bring those down into there. Oh, this is just too beautiful for words. I'm loving it. I want that one up into there. I am still here, everyone. I'm just a bit lost. I'm not going to take the label off that one because I don't think I remember what the label name was. So how's that? That's what I call designing in a flash, and something that you can have forevermore to enjoy if you are a spring camellia girl like me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again another day.